All right, y'all. So as promised, I have recipes that are coming from my CSA share. I'm gonna give you 2 recipes this week, and we'll start with the first one today, which is going to be a beet focaccia. So come along with me on this journey. To start, you're gonna separate the beets from beet greens. We're gonna roast them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. I top mine with olive oil. After this point, put them in a blender with about 1/4 cup of water, blend until smooth. Here I have yeast, honey, and lukewarm water combined with 5½ cups flour and some olive oil. Now I'm gonna stir gently, and then once mostly combined, I'm adding that beet puree, about 1.5 cups of that. We're gonna mix it together and let it sit for 12 to 14 hours until it rises. So once it's risen, you're gonna put it in whatever focaccia container you want to. Mine is a little bit small for typical focaccia, so it's going to be a little bit thicker. Pull that risen dough out, smooth it out as much as possible, top it again with olive oil, and then you're going to start making the dimples. On top of that, we're putting 1/3 cup of water with a tablespoon of vinegar and some salt to go in those dimples. And here I'm adding sage flowers to one side to make it look beautiful, and then on the other side, those chive flowers that you saw, I'm going to add those as well. In the end, I'm going to top it with a little bit of fresh thyme and some flake sea salt, and then once that's all finished, we're going to put it in the oven at 450 for about 22 to 25 minutes. I put mine a little bit longer since it's thicker, and here is the end result. I cut a slice, put some butter on it. As you can see, the inside turns golden once cooked. Took a bite. It was delicious. I hope you enjoy.